Let us summarize what we covered in this unit on market failure. Market failure, as we saw, could occur because of two reasons: externalities, public goods, or common resource. Externalities could be positive or negative, as noted earlier in this unit. Now, what is the problem when there is a positive externality? Well, positive externality is a spillover benefit, and hence the problem that arises if left to the market system is that there is underproduction of any product that leads to positive externalities, which means not enough is produced. On the other hand, when we have products that lead to negative externalities, for example, pollution, we end up having a spillover cost, and ultimately left to the market system, there is an overproduction of the good or service that is bringing about this negative externality. Now, in both these cases, whether it's underproduction or overproduction, how can this problem be resolved? Well, government intervention is the answer. Government can intervene in the market, and due to the powers vested in the government because of its role, it can levy taxes or provide subsidies. It can put in regulations in place. For example, when there is underproduction of any product, the government can come in and they can provide subsidies to encourage production. Or they could pass regulations. For example, vaccines are mandatory. With regards to negative externalities, well, the government can again, instead of subsidy, we can have a tax, pollution tax. Then we noticed in this chapter we could also have regulations. And last but not the least was tradable permits or cap and trade, if the negative externality is pollution. With regards to public goods, the problem that arises is that of free ridership. Everybody wants to take advantage of it, but no one wants to pay for it. So everyone wants to be a free rider. The solution is that the government provides this product or service, because the government, due to the power vested in it because of its role, can collect taxes and use the taxes that are collected from the citizens to provide the public goods. The third place where the market system fails is a common resource. And the problem that arises with a common resource, if a market system provides this product, is called tragedy of commons. And in the unit we saw that the most common example is our flora and fauna. Now, how does the government correct it? The government corrects or provides a solution to this problem by having regulations with regards to conservation and preservation of any type of resource that is a common resource. So now we understand what are the three reasons why the market system can potentially fail if left on its own, and therefore government intervention in some way, shape, or form is essential to correct this failure.